AUDCHF news today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against Swiss franc. Before we do that, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video and press the bell notification. Below the video, you will find some links. You can check them out. You can check out the brokers. You can join the free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And I want to talk about this membership. So if you want to get the maximum benefit out of your Forex and gold trading, then go and join the membership. Check out these links after watching this video. Subscribe and like. Coming back to the daily time frame, but before that, let's put weekly. So we are into AUDCHF weekly. We are trying to go up, but this week we have a doji candle in weekly chart. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 3 last weeks were going up, and then this last week, recent week, is a doji. So we don't know if we're gonna go up or down. So we have not, we are not sure, depending what happened last week. But let's go back to daily to see or get a clear picture here. Okay. So we have touched the EMA and then we have a big rejection. So big rejection, then we went down and then we have taken down this previous high. So this blue candle is eaten by this red candle and then we are going up again. Okay. So looks like we are in the uptrend, because if you analyze, uptrend, pullback, then uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, we should go up, because Australian dollar against US dollar was going up, but this is against CHF. So let's go back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, the price is above the EMA. Okay. So we did make a move down and then we had this new low. After that, all of a sudden, we had a big blue candle which has eaten all the previous red candles and broke the previous high as well. Then pull back, then new high, pull back, new high. So we are going into the uptrend. Okay. So yes, AUDCHF looks like you should only be looking for longs, but I am only making this video for the sake of the analysis. Otherwise, I don't trade AUDCHF, and not many people will do, because I have too many pairs or too many opportunities in other pairs to trade. So I'm not touching AUDCHF, at all. Okay. So personally, I don't want to get into this AUDCHF for no reason. Okay. But as per the analysis, looks like we are going in the uptrend. So only look for, this thing called longs after each pullback. Otherwise, just don't trade. Go and watch videos on my channel for other pairs, and whatever suits your trading style, go and choose that pair. And if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership, where we can send you the proper signals which trade to get into. Okay, so subscribe, like, share the video with your friends who I do trading, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.